Okay, we are asked to rationalize the denominator. And what rationalize the denominator means is it means that we want to get rid of all the radicals in the denominator. Now to do that, whenever you have two terms, you need to use what's called the conjugate. And the conjugate is the same term, you just change the middle sign. So we take this and we rewrite this as the square root of 5 plus 2. And we always do both tops. Remember, this is an expression. This is just like when we're trying to get common denominators with any fraction. Whatever you do the top, you have to do to the bottom. So that means what we have here is we have 4 times the square root of plus the square root of over the square root of 5 minus the times the square root of 5 plus. So we're going to fill out the bottom. Now, of course, the goal here is this should get rid of all the radicals. That's the point of the conjugate. But if it doesn't, something went wrong, I would try it again. I usually do the whole FOIL. Obviously, as you get used to it, you're going to see how this always works out and that there's a consistent, there's a systematic approach here. But for me, because if I don't FOIL it out, I tend to screw up my signs, so I always FOIL it out completely. So first, I get the square root of 5 times the square root of 5, which is the square root of 25, or 5. Then outer, so plus the square root of 5 times the square root of 2, which is the square root of 10, minus the square root of 2 times the square root of 5, so it's the square root of 10 again. Finally, minus the square root of 2 times the square root of 2, which is the square root of 4, or 2. So then these two middle terms cancel out, which was our point. We're left with 5 minus 2, or 3. So this bottom equals 3. Then we simply distribute the top. So I have 4 times the square root of 5, square root of 2. And this is our final answer, all nicely rationalized. And all we've really done is taken the radicals in the denominator and we've put them in the numerator.